Hi everyone. So I've been using this iPhone 12 for almost a year. As this is my first iPhone, so the problem with the phone are also first. And I have made a lot of videos about it. I shared my experience, and I know a lot of people are tired by it now. But the reason I make these videos because I want to tell a lot of people who are switching to iPhone what they're getting into. Last year, so many people shifted to iPhone just like me. The reason could be multiple, but they did. And not everyone likes this phone, but it's a reliable phone. And I also made a video that if you shift from Android to iOS, what you're going to miss. So check that out as well. But there is one thing that I still do not like about iPhone, and I still can't get over it, and that is the lightning port. See, I accepted this phone. I accepted all the limitation of this phone because I get a little bit more privacy and a reliable performance. The ecosystem is also good. But I was never okay with the lightning cable, and if you want on the record, I really hate it. It's not convenient when everything else in your house runs on USB-C, and I'm not even talking about the Android tablet or Windows laptop. I use Mac, I have iPad, but still everything else other than my iPhone uses USB-C. So the lightning cable makes you carry that extra cable all the time when you can just get over with that USB-C cable or a single charger. Okay, I know it's a small issue for so many people, and I get it. And for a long time, I was also avoiding it. So I was using wireless charger for a very long time because it was winter and the phone was not getting very warm. But now it's summer in India and it's really hot. So after using the iPhone for first 7 months, I did not lose a single percent of my battery health because it was winter and it was kind of in the middle. But in the summer, in last 3 months, I have lost 7% of my battery percentage because I use wireless charger, and the wireless charger produce a lot of heat. So I had to shift back to the wired charging. So now what happened is I have to keep a charger on my bedside all the time. So before that I was using just one Mac charger. So if I have to charge my Mac, iPad or even any Android phone, I can just use that USB-C charger. But now I have to keep one lightning cable, and every time I have to charge my iPad, I need to remove that cable and put the USB-C cable, and then an extra step. Yes, call me lazy or whatever you want, but it is inconvenient, especially when you just have one cable. So if you forget that cable at home and if you want to travel, like I travel to my hometown, I'm the only one who's using iPhone, so it's very hard to get that lightning cable. But everyone around me has USB-C cable. And also they're not cheap, so you cannot buy multiple cables and keep one in every bag. And another problem with the dongle itself, so if you want to connect to display, you have to buy separate dongles because I have multiple USB-C dongle and hub. But for this I cannot do anything. You have to purchase separate USB lightning cable to HDMI. Even I cannot connect a wired earphone because I don't have any of those dongles. So the cost increases automatically. I know Apple is never going to bring USB-C in the iPhones, but if I can't use wireless charging and if the problem continues, I might have to switch back to Android phone. Because no matter what, it's always going to be experience over these hardware for me. So in case you're planning to buy iPhone but you have a lot of USB-C dongles and charger lying around, this is going to bother you. But if you have other family members who use iPhone, I think that's not going to be a big problem for you. If there is anyone who is as stupid as I am and face this issue every day, please comment in the comment box because I need that support. And if you are someone who thinks it's a very small issue, you guys are just complacent. Well, that was it for this video. Yes, I was here to rant because I'm facing this issue every single day. And if I changed your mind, please let me know in the comment box. My name is Rohit. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.